Hey y'all, welcome to part 2 of 3 of my end of January tune recap. This set is going to be a set of jigs. It's a set that I put together for a gig I had back in December, but I think we actually ended up cutting it from the set list because of time constraints in our second half, which is a shame because it's a really great set of jigs. I've really enjoyed playing them. The first two are probably fairly well known. Actually, they probably all are. The first one is Dermot Grogan's, followed by Hardiman's Fancy. I really enjoy playing these tunes. I picked them up from a friend in Traverse City, Rick Willie. So we like to, switch a lot of our tunes and pick up ones from each other. So that's a nice thing with the whole trad network there. And then the third tune is The Old Woman Tossed Up in a Blanket, which I got from the O'Neill collection. I like to get a lot of my tunes from his book because there's over 1,000 fiddle tunes in there, and a lot of them I've run into and I don't realize that, oh hey, I have the music for it. So it's fun to kind of go through, the years and be like, I liked that tune, I played through it once, and then I kind of left it alone for a while, and I heard it in a session somewhere. I'm like, oh, I like that tune. And then I come back and I see, oh, well, of course I like that tune. I started in the book. So I like to kind of combine learning by ear versus learning by sheet music. So if y'all ever want to see a post about that, or if you want to hear more about my practice strategy, definitely let me know if that's something you'd be interested in watching. So I'm going to stop rambling now, and I'm going to play some jigs for you. stay tuned for polkas.